Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to customize the default view in the MLB app. This tutorial will help you quickly access the content you use the most, whether it's scores, news, or live games, so you can enjoy a more personalized MLB experience. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. Then, in the Account Settings, locate the option labeled Default View. Tap on Default View, and you will see several options including Home, Scores, Standings, Watch, and News. Choose the view that fits your preference, so every time you open the app, it will show the content you care about most. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and enjoy your MLB experience.